Did you know a simple ingredient from your kitchen, corn flour, could be the secret to greener, faster-growing plants? Yes. That same corn flour used for cooking is packed with natural starch that feeds the good microbes in your soil. These tiny helpers break down nutrients, making them more available to your plants. Here's how to make this powerful, all-natural fertilizer. You'll need 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 liter of clean water. Mix it well. Let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Then pour it right at the base of your plants. Use once a week for best results. Why it works: stimulates soil microbes, boosts nutrient absorption, promotes lush, green growth. 100% safe and natural. Perfect for veggies, flowers, and potted plants alike. If you love simple, effective gardening hacks like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY plant care tips.